Good morning, everyone, or good night, or whatever good day it is. Today, I'm gonna be opening my Grand Braverse Booster Set 9, a game of truth and deceit. But just a note, I'm sorry for I only managed to get 15 of these because, this volume is high in demand, so everywhere is out of stock. And yeah, that's all I could do. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. First pack. Alright. Wait. Okay, let's see. What will we get? Boom. Pizza cookie. I think I see something behind. Oh, never mind. Anyways, for the next pack, let me throw this away. Next, wait, I'm gonna put this in an organized place. Okay, next pack. Oh my. Okay, there you go. Okay, and the charming of deceit. Oh, we don't have yellow yet. Anyways. Ooh, something will be last. Oh, Elder Fairy. We all know what happened. Dang, what happened, my man? What happened? Oops, my bad. And we finally got all the color. Okay. Next pack. Oh my. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'll do the review method. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the review method until I get something. Oh, dang it. No something at all. Okay, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna do the instant method anymore. Oh, I don't think I see anything behind. Yeah, I suspected. Okay. Wait, what if I do this method? I don't want to do anything, but I'll just see it. Oops, I think I see something behind. Or not. Okay. Wait, what? Since when? Wait, I don't remember. Was it two uncommons in a row? What? Since when did that happen? Erase. Let me tidy this up. I'll just do this. Ooh, White Lily. Oh la la. Welcome home, White Lily. Although you're dead, but you're still here at least. Welcome home. White Lily, nice. Anyways. Okay, let's see. Icicle Yeti, Ginger Brave. I don't think it's, yeah. Ooh, I need this card though for yellow as a yellow player deck. Anyways, we still have 6 more packs to go. Oh my, dude. I think I lost all my. Well, that works. Windsor. Chest Choco, this hasn't been added to the game yet. Nope. Oh no. Okay, I should stop opening violently. Hero. This is bad news. Oh no, I haven't even gotten UR yet. Oh no. Okay, let me just do this. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. No, no. Oh, I'm scared. I'll just do this. Oh, I see something behind. I see a different border. Yeah, you guys see it. It's dark. Anyways, Magical Yeti, cauliflower, ring. Oops, I hasn't. Oh, pure vanilla. All right. Ooh, you have matching now. Nice. Sorry, that was an accident. Okay, we have matching pairs now. Last 3 packs. I don't think there's anything good. Yep. Yeah, I just realized I misplaced fairy cookie in here. Okay. Please UR needed. I need UR. Please. Pronounce it. Oh, I don't think I got rare. Ooh, Metal Choco. Welcome back. I mean, welcome home. Why did I say welcome back? Okay, last card. I hope it's in the UR though. Please, please, please. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, Soul Gem! Light of Deceit. Nice. Well, it's still okay for a last card. Anyways, these are all the cards we got. Wait. Alright. We got Milk Choco, Light of Soul Gem, Light of Deceit, Pure Vanilla, and Pure White Lily. And also this Elder Fairy. I feel bad. And let me go grab my sleeves. Okay, back here are my very professional and not professional sleeves. Item goes into here. White Lily cookie. Go here. Dude. Okay. Other fairy. Melted chocolate. And pure vanilla. And these are the things we got. Although not much of an UR, I'm still grateful though. Alright, goodbye guys.